Hello everyone. Today the topic is multiplying metrics using the Python. Um, just like this comment here, and we are going to be using the nested loops. And I did a 3 by 3 matrix for the x, y, because there are two matrices that have to multiply, and so is the result. The result is also going to come out in a 3 by 3 form. Here we can see iterate through rows of x. This means like iterate is like to can say to repeat something severally, and I'm going to talk about that in a short while. The same thing for the columns of y, and we're going to iterate through rows of y too. So if you see, I'm going to run this so that you see how it's working. So this is our result from here. And here is the final answer. So I'm gonna explain this right now. So I just wrote out this matrix here out in a notepad so that I can make some short notes. The first matrix and the second one, x and y. So how this matrix works? It works by multiplying the first row of the first matrix by the first column of the second matrix. Like now we see here the first number here is 2, so we say 2 times 5. This 2 in the first matrix times 5 in the second matrix, plus the second number on the row multiplied by the second number in the column of the second matrix, plus the third number multiplied by the third number on the row of the first matrix here, multiplied by the third number on the row of the second matrix, which you see we have 2 times 2 here, plus 7 times 6, plus 3 times 4. So when we add that up here, 2 times 2 gives us 10, 7 times 6 will give us 42, and 3 times 4 will give us 12, which is 64. So we're going to check the results from what the Python gave to us. 64, the first number, so we see here 64. So that's how it works. I'm going to do the next one again. So we are done with this first row. So now we are going to use this same row multiplied by the next column in the second matrix. Oh, here I made a little mistake, but I just swapped it because okay, I'm gonna change it. You should see put it up here. Okay. So what I did here was this same numbers on the first row of the first matrix. We will still use these numbers to multiply on the second row and column of the second matrix. So we see 2 multiplied by 8 plus 7 multiplied by 7 plus 3 multiplied by um, 5, supposed to be 5 here. supposed to be 5, and 3 times 5 is 15. So we say if we add this all up, we're gonna have 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I see the mistake here. 7 multiplied by 7 is 49. So if we add that up, we're gonna have 80, and so that will see 2 multiplied by 8, 7 multiplied by 7, which is this, and 3 multiplied by 5. So if we add this all up, we're gonna get 80. And if you look here in the Python shell, we have 80 as the second number there. So now in this, the third thing we're gonna do is this same, since it's a 3 by 3 matrix, this same row will be multiplied by the column, this last column here of the second matrix, which is 2 multiplied by 1 plus 7 multiplied by 3 and 3 multiplied by 9 here. 9. I'm gonna have 27. 7 times 3 1, and 2 times 1 is 2. So we have 50 here. So pardon my mistakes. So that's simply what it's about, iterating. We're going to continue the process again and again. We do the same thing for the second row, and we multiply it by each of the columns in the second matrix. So 4 multiplied by 5 plus 5 multiplied by 6 plus 6 multiplied by 4, then, and that's equal to 4 times 5 is 20 plus 30 plus 24 is 74. So that's how we got the 74 here. The same thing again and again. This row multiplied by the second column, 8, 7 and 5, and that's how you keep getting your answers. So just try that and see if it works for you. Thank you so much.